For the main section, programs allows you to open or create a new program. Below that, you have your cut, copy, paste, and delete. Here you have your name of the program and then the multi-select. The multi-select allows you to select multiple lines in your program. And then you have your main screen for your program. Insert. The insert section has the basics. These are commands that you can insert into the program via the pendant. So if I put in the air move, I could put in the weld move, and I can toggle that. For a linear circle, we can put in a comment, and it allows you to type in a comment. The tack is delay time. So if we want to put 1 second, it is going to turn on the weld for 1 second and then turn it off, and that will be your tack. The parameters that it's using is coming from the default parameters that you set for your program. So in this case, if you look at our weld process, we have 340 wire feed speed, travel speed, the inductance, and your voltage. These are the parameters that the tack will use when it executes. So under the basic, it allows you to enter commands into the program via the pendant. Flow control. The wait for user input will pause the Copilot until the operator presses the start button. Finally, at the bottom here, you have your select line parameters. This allows you to see the parameters within the line. So there's our weld process, the arc start. If you have the weave turned on, you get some information, and then general information of the type of program, if the weld is on or not, and if touch sensing is applied to the program. We get our edit parameters, where we can come in and edit the parameters. So at any point, you can come in and edit the line in the program. We can select a different line. And update position. Update position is you move the robot to the new location. This is our position, but if I hit update, it updated the point to the new location.